that said they loved me and the whole time they was taken from me.
Fantasia is a gospel artist. She got her break through the pop sector. However, that is what gave her the break, but that's not where she is meant to stay. And because she has decided to stay in that lane, she has really struggled throughout her career. And I can see why it seems like, no, she hasn't really struggled. She's had a very successful career, but then there's this element of struggle there. And the reason why there is this constant element of struggle with her career is because she's not leaning into the genre that actually is going to change not only her life, change her finances, but also change the lives of the world. When Fantasia decides to lean fully into the genre of gospel music and fully into preaching, she will revolutionize gospel music. What do I mean by this? Your Shirley Caesars, your all of your Kim Burrells, all of your popular historical gospel artists, they will look like peas in the pot compared to the impact that Fantasia will have on the world. When Fantasia decides to lean fully into gospel music and to preach her story over and over and over and over, people who have never paid much attention to gospel music will start to listen to gospel music. I can see Fantasia taking gospel music into mainstream. She will be the Whitney Houston of gospel music. I think part of the hiccup for her is how gospel music has historically been and seeing the limitations around it. But Fantasia will be the person who shifts how the world views, sees, and experiences gospel music. And this is coming, hey y'all, I don't consider myself a Christian. I consider myself a witch. This is coming from a witch, okay? I'm telling you what I see for Fantasia the moment she leans into what has been calling her for so long. She doesn't want to do it. Quote me on this. Save this video. Save this video. The moment she leans fully into gospel music, she is going to shift the music industry. She's going to shift the gospel music industry. She is going to shift the world. She is going to be such a huge star. We will be baffled by the level of star power she has. Quote me on this. Save this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. But if she does this, she'll never have any financial problems for the rest of her day. And she will go down as one of the biggest legends we've ever seen during our time. Quote me.